Hey guys, what is up? It's Michael Chua, and today we are playing Fluffy Bird. I know you guys may be thinking, but I'm having some major problems on my video. So when I was uploading it, it turned error that couldn't go more further. So I had to delete some apps, and it sucks, but gotta do it. And it was error, so I'm sorry if it took so long. But if you ever saw the beginning of the intro, the amazing intro, all the credits go to Ghostline. I'm sorry that it took so long. I really apologize that. So yeah, and also yeah, it took very long. It was uploading it. It was so slow that you couldn't even imagine. So it would take so lot of time, and it says error. And I got so fucking pissed, and I said, okay, how am I going to tell my subscribers that we're just going to make an important excuse that, you know. But my video has some major problems, but it's back. So, yeah, yeah. So I'm sorry if I'm talking that that way. My voice. So today we're playing Flappy Bird. And yeah, I won't get my ass killed. So like I said in the beginning, all the animation, intro goes to Ghost Deadline 95. You don't hear about him, I leave a link down. I leave a link down on my last video. Um, I'm gonna leave a link down to the description down below. You guys check. Oh my fuck, I'm so fucking up. But I want you guys to check them out. And I'm sorry, bro, if it took so long. I'm sorry, bros, if it took so much more longer. So I'm so sorry. So yeah. Let's get into the game. As you can see, my best is 24. I was pissed, but oh my fucking god! I used God in vain. Oh shit! Oh, again. Ugh. Holy shit. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really horrible. So, yeah. And you might have lowered your volume. Okay. Shame fucking shit. Oh my fucking Jesus. Oh shit, I used God in vain again. I'm sorry. I used God in vain. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Not again. Holy shit, we're gonna start out with a bad story, guys. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking big ass fucking bird. Big ass body. Big ass fucking eye. Big ass nose. Or mouth. Shit, man, you look ugly as fuck. And I just fucking lost. You piece of bitch ass fucking floppy ass motherfucker. And son of a bitch again. Yeah, I don't know why, but my voice is so not clear. Son of a bitch! Again? And also, I forgot to tell Ghost Deadline 935. Basically subscribe to him. So yeah, and he's awesome. I'm not just doing that just because he just made me an intro. No, because he's just amazing, man. Better more videos than me because I'm not that much funny. And you can see right here, I'm playing this fucking retarded game. But it's not retarded, but even still, I've subscribed to him, so yeah, he's better than every single video I make. Fuck! Ugh, my fucking watermelon. Yeah, watermelon. I don't know how you say that shit. I can't pronounce shit right, alright? Alright? Don't judge me. Son of a bitch! Okay. The official Fappy bird. There we go. Okay, that's gonna give me the best luck ever. You know what? I changed that. Then he gave me good luck. Okay, we start with red Flappy bird. You may want to cover your ears, guys. And kids, don't ever repeat this. What I say, okay? Don't ever repeat what I say. Hijo de la puta madre. Fuck! Fucking piece of shit game. I mean, it's not shit, but... I'm gonna start crazy. I'm gonna get crazy up in this bitch. Alright. Fucking shitty game. One more. There's one more. I swear. I swear. You want fuck this game? Fuck this game. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, oh shit. Did I crack? Oh shit. I didn't crack the screen. Oh, fuck. Thank God. Wow. I was like, shit, I just broke my own phone. Oh. I may gonna quit, guys. I'm sorry if I rage quick, but I let my anger get the best of me, alright? I just let it get the best of me. Ooh, I was this close. This close. I may gonna quit, bro. Oh! 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 Okay, at least I'm happy right now. I just focus. Oh shit! I'm about to rage quit right now. I'm swear. I let my anger get the best of. I let my anger get the best of me. Alright, don't judge me, y'all. This is some hard shit. Oh my shit! Holy shit! Fucking piece of chicken nugget. No wonder they kill you at McDonald's. Shit. Those little nuggets are. Those little nuggets are their Flappy's wings. You hear that, guys? Nah, that's not true, y'all. That's not true. But still though, I wish they coulda. I wish I could have made. I wish I could have create my own game. I wish I wish the game of Dunk Hunt added fucking Flappy Bird, and I would just like play it, and I will show it to you guys, and I will play for real. Like I'm dead ass. Like I'm sure. Like I'm really gonna play the game and just gonna kill Flappy Bird. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's it, guys. I'm done. I'm done. I cannot do this, or else I will break my phone, or else more. So thank you guys again for watching it. I'm so sorry if this video was short, but still, I may play it again, guys. If you have, like this video, okay, and comment, and I'm sorry if it took so very long to upload the video. It was not easy, and like I said, the intro, the first beginning of the video was made directly and credits to the Ghost Deadline 935. So give a big shout out to him, and bro, I appreciate it, and go give him a big shout out because he deserves it. I mean, he loves my videos and he says he's enjoying them, and I really hope that you guys are enjoying it as well. So thank you guys again for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys soon. Yeah. Oh shit. Well, guys, thank you again for watching. As always, subscribe to him. I'll leave a link down in the description down box below, and you go check him out. He's a bro, and yeah, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out, bros.